Hey, what's up everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your code to a site called GitHub, and you can share this code to pretty much anyone you like. Okay, right, so going forward, I think the best way to share your code with me is to put it on GitHub and share me the link instead of putting into a zip file and then having problems or issues uploading the zip file. So first step is easy. So go to GitHub, github.com, and create an account. So if you haven't had an account, create an account on GitHub. It's free. You can create as many as you like. So once you have an account, you would see something similar to this. Okay, maybe without all this clutter here, because I am subscribing to certain people on GitHub, so I see their updates. So if you are new, so you won't see all this, and you see here on the left, you would see this is the list of repositories. So on GitHub, repositories means your code. So you can create as many repositories as you like on your GitHub account. So I'm going to show you how to create one here. So you can press on new, and then over here you can create a new repository. So firstly, you can give any name to your repository. I would like to, let's say I have done writing my code to blink an LED. So what I'm going to give here is maybe put in your ID name, DE something, and then blink. Okay, so hopefully everyone will be able to put your ID name so that it's easier for me to see whose repository this belongs to. Okay, so your ID name, and then put in your project name, whatever project name you want to give. Mine is blink, and then description is optional. You can write into your description which quiz is this, which assignment is this, and what you're trying to do in this repository. Okay, so do write in your description. Okay, and for this option, I'd like you to put on public, because if you don't put public, I cannot view your code. Okay, so if you put in private here, we check in private, only you can see the code. If you put on public, like, you can share the code to anyone else. Okay, and after that, click on create repository. Okay, so you will see this something like this, right? So there's many ways you can add your code into this repository that you have created. So for mine is D123456_blink. So I find that the easiest way, or one of the easiest way, is to click this setup in desktop, and click on this, and then it will download a software to help you set up. Okay, so just click on clone. Okay, so it will, if you haven't installed the software, it will ask you to install, it will download an installer and ask you to install the software. So once you've installed the software, you'll see this. Okay, right, so, and previously what you're seeing is where you want to set up the folder. Okay, right, so over here what you can do is you can show it in the file explorer. So I have set my folder over here to a place in my Windows, and this is the place. Click on show file explorer. So this is the folder that I have set up. So anything that I add into this folder is going to be uploaded to GitHub. Okay, so you can set any folders on your the location can be anywhere on your desktop. Okay, so right now I am going to open the code that I have written. So it's going to be here. Okay, this is my blink. So I've written and compiled everything here. All my ASM codes are in here. So okay, so I'm going to just copy this and put this into showing the explorer. I'm going to put it into here. So everything is in this blink folder now. Okay, right, so I'm going to close this, and right here you will see that these are all the files that you have just added. And to upload this is not uploaded yet to GitHub, right? So to upload the code to GitHub, first thing, you need to write the summary. So a summary can be anything, so just write a summary for your record, so that in future if you upload more and more code, it's going to be confusing if you don't write a simple summary. So I'm going to write my summary here: uploaded Blink, say edit Blink folder, and then after that, description is optional once again. So you can commit to master. So once you're done, and then you can click on this publish branch. Right, so it's going to publish the branch. Okay, so once this is done, your code is pretty much on GitHub. I can refresh this page now, and I'll see this is all of my code. If I open my ASM file, where's my ASM file? Here, blink.asm. Like I'll see all of my codes here, and they're properly formatted. You can see the colors are right. Okay, and to share this code, all you need to do is if I click on this URL and copy, I'm going to open another window, and I paste this here. Right, so you can share this URL, this GitHub URL to me, and I'll be able to view your code and check it. Okay, right, so that is what I want to cover in this video. So hopefully it's been helpful. So you can create as many repositories as you like for each quiz, each project, or each assignment, and that way you don't have to upload the zip file to Microsoft Teams anymore. Okay, all right, that's all from me. Thank you. Have a good day.